So now we know how to parse this CSV file using our CSV library. Plot this on Google Map. For this we need a different library name as gmplot. So let me just import this gmplot here to see that whether it is present on this Anaconda cloud or not. So I'll put from gmplot import gmplot. That's it. You can see that it's written that an error has been thrown, module not found error, no module in gmplot. It means that this module is not present in the Anaconda cloud. It might happen that you are looking for some new module which is not present on Anaconda. Most of the time, all the modules and libraries are present in the Anaconda. That's why we recommended Anaconda. But there are some libraries, some new libraries which are still building and which are not present on Anaconda cloud. But you can download it. One thing is that you can list all the libraries which are present on the Anaconda. To do that, you can just type on your terminal conda list. We'll list all the libraries which are downloaded by the Conda, which are present on the Conda cloud. So you can see all these libraries which are present in your Conda cloud. Okay. You can see that gmplot is not there. So I'm going to download it. So in order to download anything from Conda, you can search it through Conda. The command is conda search gmplot. Now it will search this gmplot named Conda in its cloud, whether it is present in any of its channel. If it is present, then it will download. It might happen that it may the library which we are looking for will not be present. You can see that package not found error has been thrown from Conda, that this library is not present in any of these channels. In that case, you can download the package through pip. So I will download pip install gmplot. Now pip will install this gmplot and it will be automatically taken by the Anaconda. Okay, it says that successfully installed gmplot version 1.210. So I will see this. Let me try this command again. You can see it has been imported, so it means that I can use this library now. Okay, great. Let me delete this. Okay. So I will import my CSV library. CSV. Next, I will import this gmplot from gmplot import gmplot. Okay. Before I go any further, you can read more about gmplot on. You can Google it. You can read more about gmplot on there is a GitHub library of gmplot. All the reading material documentation is provided here. How to place the map, how to create polygon, how to create the marker, and how to draw it, how to see it. All these things are present. You can just have a look. Okay, so let's see this. So I will import the CSV file, CSV library and gmplot library. Next, what I will do, I will place my map on a particular location. For that there is a function. So let me create a variable gmap is equal to. You can see here also that how to place your map to a particular coordinate, to a location. If you want to place the map to a particular location, you need to have the latitude longitude value of that location, and you can use the Google Map plotter function of gmplot. So you will have to put the latitude, longitude, and the zoom resolution here. So exactly same thing I'm going to do here. Put gm plot dot Google Map plotter. Okay, it's already there, and you can see when I put it, it shows the argument center, latitude, center, longitude, and zoom. So I'll put my location as 28.689169. This is some random location I put, or you can change it accordingly, whatever you want to put there. 324448, and let the zoom resolution will be 17. So the Gmap contains the map location where I want to plot the map. Second thing is I want to create a icon, the icon which I'm going to use to plot my routes. So I can just copy this line here. Okay, you do not have to carry much over there. You can create your own icon here, but I'm going to use this dual icon. It's already there on the Google Maps markers. You can just copy this line and you will get the icon. Okay, I have the icon, I have the map. Now I will parse my CSV file so that I can plot it. So I know how to parse it with open. I will open my root.csv file .csv as read mode. Okay, as I will create my reader iterator using the csv.reader function and pass my file. Let me create a variable named k initialize2. I will tell you why I'm using this k. How will I use this? So let me pass this reader iterator, iterate through it for row in reader. Okay, so row will give me a list of all the values which are present in this CSV file. So I need to there are two values, latitude and longitude value. I will store it in latitude and longitude variable. So lat is equal to row 0. Since this is a string value, I need to have the float value, so I will convert it into float. Same thing which we did in the last video. The same, I will store the longitude value as float of row 1. Awesome. I have the latitude and longitude value as float values. Now I'm going to use the k as a dummy variable. How? If k is equal to 0, it means the first time, this is the first coordinate I have, then what I will do, gmap dot, I will use the marker function. I put this marker function puts the marker to particular latitude, to a particular coordinate, that is latitude, longitude value. Put the marker at this lat and long value, which this is the first lat and long value, with color. So let me put the color as yellow. Okay, and I'll make k is equal to 1. It means that this was the first, and after this, whatever is coming, you can do something else if you want. So else, if it is not the first coordinate, which means the k value is not 0, which means the first value already came and you already put a yellow marker there. So whatever is coming after the first is, you can you create the creating the marker as vertical latitude and long with color simple blue. Okay, this is done. Since the last latitude longitude value, the lat and long at the last after this iteration will contain the last latitude and longitude value. Again, I would like to place a red marker there. So what I will do, I will put gmap dot marker lat and long and color red. That's it. So at the last location we will put red color marker. So we are done. I just have to draw this map. So gmap dot draw with the HTML file, let's say my map.html. That is it. So I'm going to run this. Okay, so I created a my map.html. So let me see, go to my folder. It's here. Let me open this with my Chrome, and you can see. So this is, since it is yellow, it is starting from, it means this is the first location. Okay, this is the first location from where delivery guy started. And then he went to this particular streets, went somewhere. These are the blue coordinates given by the GPS device, and he's going somewhere, and you can see these are the locations where he went. Since these are blue, it means this is the red location. It means this is the last location where you went. So this is how you can easily plot the coordinates. If you have the coordinates, you can easily plot it on Google Map using the Python. It's very easy. You saw I didn't use any other hardcore programming. There are many libraries through which you can do simple things. That's why Python is so popular. You can do a lot of things with few lines of code because there are lots of libraries and the community is very strong. So thank you very much.